Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to explain you about future tense with will. The pattern of future tense with will is subject plus will plus verb 1. I will go, you will go, he will go, she will go, it will go, we will go, and they will go. And then the negative form of future tense with will is subject plus will not plus verb 1. I will not go. You will not go. He will not go. She will not go. It will not go. We will not go. They will not go. And then the question form of future tense with will is will plus subject plus verb 1. Will I go? Will you go? Will he go? Will she go? Will it go? Will we go? Will they go? Well, I hope that this video is very useful. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching.